Hi, I'm Chrissy. Welcome to my intuitive art classes. So I'm going to take you in now. So here we are at my front gate. So come on in to the classes. So we're just going to go down the side here. Doop-de-doop-de-doo. You might be able to hear the music coming in. So I'm about to have my first lot of children come in for their art class. So let's have a look around. Table's all ready to go. And we come across here. And this is where we'll be starting our class together. So there's plenty of comfy seating for us to sit down and start with our meditation. I've got some seed pods here to paint if the children finish early or they'd like to take a little break. And this is the view when we set out. So I'm looking forward to this. It's been a long time coming and I can't wait to see my first lot of children. Yay! Adults classes start on Saturday, so won't be too far away, and yeah, exciting times. Bye.